Sometimes even superheroes need support. And it's so good to have someone who can lend a helping hand. Penny and Megan are just walking down the street. And they see someone with a hard life. Poor guy! He must be so cold and uncomfortable. It's so hard to live like this. We have to help him somehow. For starters, listen to what he has to say. Show compassion. But that's not enough, of course. Come with us. Bringing a homeless person into your apartment is a very kind thing to do. Now you can offer him a bath and clean clothes. Now he has taken the first step to transformation. It's unbelievable! What a metamorphosis! Oh, he's pretty cute! Kindness is a powerful force. It's not fun to fight with your boyfriend, and when he breaks up with you and leaves you alone in the rain, it's awful! Like the end of the world. But if a noble guy is passing by with a big umbrella, it's not that bad, right? After a hurricane, look for a rainbow. For a pregnant woman, normal things are hard to do. Like tying a shoelace. Very difficult. It's great that there are good people in the world. For example, this random person. A real gentleman. I don't know how to thank you. Oh, it's nothing. Aw, that's so sweet. A line to the doctor's office. The situation is getting tense, and some visitors are pretty rude. You are young, you can wait. Well, letting an old lady go ahead is polite. You'll have to sit by the door for another half hour. Here comes Granny. Maybe you can sneak through now? Oh no! Sweetie, this phone is so confusing. Megan has a kind heart. Of course, she can't say no to an old woman. Let's see what you got. But another visitor doesn't waste time. And he goes into the office. Well, everyone's happy. Grandma took care of her problem. Hello, husband. It's not true what they say about young people. And Megan? Well, I'm sure she'll get good karma. What a boring movie! Oh, phone call! Hey, buddy, there's this thing going on. It would be fine, but the loud conversation is bothering the other viewers. This movie doesn't seem boring to them. How dare you! And even criticism from your friends doesn't help. It's time to take action. Just take the phone away from this chatterbox. It's dramatic, but it worked. It's so nice to go out with your friends on a summer day. Spending time in the woods with your buddies. What could be better? It's a lovely area. There's room to sit down. Wow! So much litter! This place is clearly popular. With people who clearly don't care about nature. It's an outrage! How can people do that? Who's going to fix it if we don't? Penny takes out a trash bag. Put your gloves on and get to work. It's going to be fast and fun with 3 of you working. Yeah, the area is clean and beautiful again. The friends can rest and have fun. And then take all the trash with them when they leave. Everyone can do charitable things. Penny and Megan are organizing a little free library. You have to admit, everybody has books that are just collecting dust on their shelves. So, why not give them a second life? Put an old book in and take a new one. It's also a great opportunity to meet new people. Wow! Almost all of the books have found new readers. Cool! What book are you reading right now? Tell us about it in the comments. Sometimes at the grocery store, you get your stuff. And when you go to pay, turns out you don't have enough money. This girl can't afford a bag of apples. It's lucky that she's next to a person with a generous soul. Penny adds the rest of the money. Yay! She can take her apples home. Well, she has her fruit. Now she needs to get it home. Whoops! Bad luck. The bag broke, and the apples fell right on the ground. But if a passerby is willing to help pick them up, it's not that big of a deal. He is also offering to walk you home. Life is great! A lonely kid on the playground is an easy target for people with bad intentions. This nice-looking girl is doing her best to trap the boy. Do you want an apple?
Blech.
A lollipop? And then she'll take him somewhere unknown. Do you want to see a cute puppy? Come on, I'll show you. Well, there we go. But it looks like the kid did see that something's wrong after all. The criminal really doesn't like his resistance. Come with me! Megan and Ryan are sitting near the playground. They see something bad going on, and they get in the way of the wannabe kidnapper's evil plans. Phew, what a relief! That was a very unpleasant situation, and when you think about how it could have ended, now we have to get the little boy back to his parents. Parking a car can be so hard sometimes. Looks like this driver got into a difficult situation. She must have just gotten her license. Megan and Ryan decided to work as parking assistants. With their help, it's going to work. Slowly, slowly. Now go ahead, just a little bit more. Stop. Now move back a little bit. There. Yay! The car is parked properly. Well done. What would I do without you? A lawnmower makes it very easy to take care of your garden, but it's still a pretty boring job, especially in hot weather. Okay, I need a break in the shade. A glass of water would really come in handy now. Dreams come true thanks to the lawn owner. Wow! I have so much energy now. I can keep going. Oh no! I hear meowing. It sounds so sad. I think it's coming from over there. Oh, a kitty! Poor thing. He is all dirty. And he must be hungry. We should take him home. Wash him. Take care of him. And pretty him up. Wow, that's much better. Sometimes a regular trip to a cafe can take an unexpected turn. What a nice meeting! Who's that? A famous writer or a homeless person? Do you recognize this guy? Only by his hat. Girls, if it wasn't for you. That's what helping another person can do. Really, kindness can do wonders. Do you like helping people? Maybe you have got some interesting stories. Tell us all about it in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss new sketches about life on Troom Select.